Here's the house. Let's walk around and look at the garden. I will just walk around the deck a little bit, see what we can see. The tree is gone. There's a fish pond here. Just give you a bit of a 360 on the garden. This tree will be gone in a few days' time because the roots are going under the house and it's not good. So that tree is gone. We're going to fix the deck. At the moment we're looking at the landscape, so things could be tidied up here. It's all been cleaned, but we will need to plan something and do it nicer. Keep moving forward to the front of the house. Bit of an area here and here. That's the front door where we started. Okay, so this is a walk around to show what kind of trees and stuff we're going to remove. So first all of this will be gone, and including that to open up the space a little bit more. That'll go to the rubbish, of course. The vein will disappear, we'll take it away. This one goes, that one dead, that goes. This one will take it out as well because it's really clogging the lights from the kitchen. Work in progress, happy. Coming to here, this one will go as well because it's privet getting too much. This one is okay. We might just cut this branch, but it'll be nice to have it here. This one stays, that one stays. This one weed gone, and we'll just tie it up. So that'll be gone. This big tree, we just might cut maybe 2-3 branches to open it up a little bit. Here is okay. The aloe vera will just give it a bit of a haircut. This one will take away. It goes over the house and it makes a lot of mess when it grows.